So we have a question here involving subtraction and addition of a number of negative integers and positive integers. And in such questions, always start from the left and move all the way towards the right. And always take two integers in a pair and put them within a square bracket. So if I take a square bracket and write minus 11 and minus 20, then bracket close, then minus 8 minus 6 plus 7. If you will solve it, this is actually minus 11 minus 20, so we know that 20 plus 11 is 31, and since both are negative, therefore this is minus 31 plus minus 8 minus 6 and plus 7. Now they make a pair of minus 31 and plus minus 8. A square bracket, minus 31 plus minus 8 and minus 6 plus 7. This can be written as minus 31 plus outside the parenthesis, therefore this will be minus because we have a negative integer, and minus 8 minus 6 plus 7. This will be 31 plus 8 is 39, so minus 39, and then minus 6 plus 7. Take them in a square bracket, solve them. Now this will become what? Minus 39 minus 39, this is a minus sign outside parenthesis, and inside parenthesis is a negative number, therefore this will become a positive number, and this will be minus 39 plus 6 and plus 7. If you solve this, minus 39 plus 6 will be what? Minus 33. Okay, and this will be plus 7. Now solve them. Minus 33 plus 7 will be minus 26. Okay, let's take one more question. We have here minus 7 minus 7 if you solve them, then this will be actually minus 7, a minus sign outside the parenthesis, and within the parenthesis is a negative number, therefore this will become plus, and this is 7 plus minus 7 plus 8 minus 9. Okay, so minus 7 plus 7 will be 0. So you have 0 plus minus 7 plus 8 minus 9. This will be 0 plus minus 7 will be minus 7, because if you add any integer to 0, you will get the same integer back. So plus 8 minus 9. You have now take with them within the bracket, minus 7 plus 8 close minus 9. Minus 7 plus 8 will be what? 1. Minus 9, this will be 1. Minus sign outside a negative integer, within the parenthesis is a negative integer, this will be plus 1, 9, and the answer will be 10.